Good evening, guys. How it's going with you today? I will show you the correct way how to fix sense of this problem on Play Store. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now, and first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps option. Here, as you can see, we found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search only now just for Google Play Store. When you found it, just open it like this and then go now to storage. Click on clear cache, also clear data, and then go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things, guys, what you should do is to restart in your phone, and then you have to open Play Store and you will see that it's your problem solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.